What up, YouTube? We're out here. Got some new drilled rotors for the Lancer. There's the rears. There's the fronts. Got some ceramic pads. If you guys are looking for a good deal on these, let me know. I can DM you the link I went to. I think it was about 140 bucks Canadian. Can't go wrong. So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing turned around. Start on the rear first. That's where the main problem is. I think it's this one. Yeah, there's no fucking pad left. Pretty gouged. These ones were slotted and drilled, so the drilled one should last a little bit longer. Anyway, we'll get to that now. What up, YouTube? I postponed work on this RM85 for a bit. It's giving me a fucking headache. Took the old girl out for a snap yesterday. That thing is fucking fun. Today we're gonna do brakes on the Lancer. I think I already showed you guys drilled rotors, ceramic pads, so I'm gonna get to that now. Got her jacked up, and we're gonna fucking get these rear fucking nuts loose. Got the rear disc off. It's fucking crusty as shit. There's a new one. I guess the new one isn't slotted. The fuck? Nice crusty fucking hub. Looking great. Check out those new fucking e-brake springs in there. I still got quite a bit of pad left on the fucking drum, so that's good news. I'm gonna get this thrown on, get the pads in. Hopefully I still got some brake grease, and keep moving forward. What up, YouTube? Your slider pins shouldn't look like this. If they do, you're gonna want to fucking clean them up with a wire wheel and lube them again. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Make it look like that, and I'll get back to you. What up, YouTube? In the garage, it's a fucking mess, but what else is new, right? So, if you're wondering why I got my crusty fucking H&R lowering springs on crusty stock struts out, it's because my fucking K-Sport coilovers in the rear decided to shit the bed. If you look right back there, I'm pretty sure you guys can see it. The fucking coil snapped, and it's pretty fucking nasty, so just gotta swap that out. I wish I could say that's the only time K-Sports fucked me, but this is what the front ended up doing. Pretty much just fucking completely let go while it was on the car, so the top hat stayed on the car and the strut just kind of fucking let go and was floating while I was going down the highway, so that's pretty safe. So I'll be swapping back to these crusty things until the new ones come in, and then I'll put these coils on the new struts. Otherwise, got some big news. Might as well let the cat out of the bag, so stay tuned. Alright, so I got the car in here. I'm gonna get these lug nuts ripped off and get to work. So yeah, should be fine. brake's not grabbing too great. Probably tighten that up on these too. All right. Oh, that is fucking brutal. I don't know if you guys can see, but this thing is fucking just destroyed. Pretty fucking crusty. So yeah, I will get a fucking couple 14s. I think that's a 14 and that's a 15. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just kind of whipping it around. And then there's two 12s up top inside the car. So that's the next thing. Alrighty. Alright, I got the broken cocksucker out here. You can see the issue. Certified fucking janky. So yeah, she did. Gotta pull out the other side, but I'm gonna work on getting that one in. Or you know what, I don't want to really fight with the anti-roll bar, so I'm gonna get this side off first. So yeah, tune in. So we got it all fucking buttoned up, installed. Just about to get this fucking jack out of this fucking rear subframe and lower it back down. See how she sits. Nice. Not too shabby. I need more air in my front tire. So yeah, I still got to do the front rotors and an oil change. Check what time it is. So I might be able to get one or the other out of the way today. I really want to start working on this RM, but I need to get other shit fucking done first. I gotta pull the carb off this and jet it correctly before I fucking blow it up, leaning it out. I don't fucking know. Sick of that thing, man. I mean, we all make mistakes, don't we? Mine was just buying that. So yeah. Don't know what else I'm gonna get done today if I don't do the I really want to get the oil change done. The front brake rotors and pads can wait, so maybe I'll do that. I gotta fucking clean this garage up at one point again too. There's not enough space. I got people like leaving wheels and tires in front of my fucking driveway and shit. I'm like hoarding suspension parts because I know my shit fucking was gonna blow. Good thing I did. But yeah, I just gotta make room. Yikes. Looks like somebody lifted the car up in the wrong spot. Alright, so yeah, I'll keep you guys updated.